What's up guys, welcome to another unboxing video of the Nissan GTR 1/8 scale model. This is shipment number 12. Let's see what they gave us this time. It's getting a little bit harder and harder for me to get the shipments in because of the monthly payment. So yeah, doing the best I can to keep up with these videos. But I'll leave my PayPal link below if you guys want to help me donate. So I can continue on with this unboxing until I get my 20th shipment, I believe. What we got? We got 43 to 46. All right. What did they give us this time? Bubbles. More bubbles. Bubbles. So we have look at CV joints. Yeah, CV joints and stuff. Axles, CV joints, drive shafts. Like that control arm, maybe. Oh, this is up for the camber. Cool. Whoa! Look at that. Look at that brake line. Caliper, brake disc, brake rotors. Holy crap. Oh, that is nice. Nice. Actually metal? What's actually metal? Sweet. And then the magazine itself. Issue 12. Coming with 13. Front right suspension, front brake system, model steering rack. So we got the front left suspension, we got the front left brake system, we got the front half shaft. Okay, those are half shafts. And front right suspension. Sweet. Well guys, we got a long way to go. But yeah, keep watching. Give this video a like. Subscribe if you guys want to see more of this. And I will see you guys next time.